Now we're going to move on to the upper body movement, and I have Beck here to demonstrate on moving your upper body without moving the lower part of your body. So everything above the rib cage moving by itself without moving your hips. So if you can imagine that you have a string tied between your chests and it's coming through from your chest to your back. So if you're going to lift it, think about the accent on the lift and dropping it down. So in time with the music, you can lift it up and down and up and down. So just moving the chest in isolation on its own. And think about your breathing at the same time. So if we take it a little bit faster, it's up, 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 and relax. Now we're going to move on to the shoulders, moving your shoulders without moving the other parts of your body. So just moving your shoulders back and forward, back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. So left and right and left and right, and we'll call this a shoulder bump. Now let's roll our shoulders one at a time by themselves. So moving one shoulder, the right, left, right, and just rolling them back one by one. So just practice with yourself how it feels to move that part of your body without moving the rest. Make this the point of where you start, the shoulders rolling back. And let's go back to the bumps. So we're going forward, back, and then increase the speed. 1, 2. So a fast shoulder bump that can move into a shoulder shimmy. So taking it forward and back into a little shoulder bump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then back into a shoulder roll. And then into a shoulder shrug. So shrug your shoulders up and down. And just practice moving your shoulders one at a time, up and down. And then let's go back to your chest where you're lifting it up, down, up, down, up, down. Going back into a shoulder roll, into a shoulder bump, and take that bump a little bit faster, into a shoulder shimmy. And relax.